Have you ever wondered what these lines are and what are these circles that we see on everyday common objects? Why we have these small thin materials which we enjoy tearing off, and why plastic have a dot like this? Hello, I am Aditya and welcome to the show. Come, let's find out answers to these questions. All these things have to do with the manufacturing technology called injection molding. What is injection molding? Basically, it's a process where molten plastic is force fed into a die, and the molten plastic takes the shape of the die and fills the hollow volume. After that, molten plastic solidifies and we get the desired shape that we want. So how are these lines formed? That is the question. Let's get into some details. There are 4 steps. Number 1, we take plastic pellets, which are like very thin, small size granules of plastic, and feed them in this machine through here. This is called injection molding machine. Now, number 2, this part of machine moves the pellet forwards and also melts it. So now plastics comes out like a paste. Step number 3, the molten plastic goes and fills the die or the mold and then starts the solidification. Now, what is this die or a mold? Basically, it has 2 parts and it is the negative volume of the shape we want to make. For example, we all have eaten modak at home, right? This modak is made in a kind of die. The shape is the negative of the modak. The injection molding die has 2 parts, side A and side B, also known as core and cavity. Where they separate is called parting line. So this parting line is what is visible as a line which we see on everyday objects. So just by looking at any item, can you figure out where the parting line is? Alright, step number 4. After the die separates, we need to throw the object out of the die and make it empty again for the next shot. To do that, we have ejector pins. These pins eject out object from the die. These ejector pins are generally thin cylinders, and these marks are made because of this ejector pins. So when they eject the object out, these marks are here. And what about these funny things? They are an imperfection called flash. When molten material goes into areas where it is not supposed to go, we get these flash. Now finally, what is this dot or lump we keep seeing on plastic objects? When we inject the material, the point of entry of the material into the mold is joined with our part, and at this point it will be cut out to get the final product. In this area where it's cut off forms the lump. Now injection molding is a very deep topic. If you are liking this kind of information, please subscribe, and if you have learned something new today, smash the like button and the bell icon. See you next time. Until that time, keep learning. Namaste.